電気つけてみる。
Hey, shut up, man. I'm talking in English, okay? Good morning, everybody. It's 5:30 in Tokyo. You know this thing? We call this the house guarding resort. Yamori in Japanese. Yeah, literally, the meaning is, if, we say this resort.
ほら、出られないんじゃない？
Shut up, man. I'm talking in English. Okay, this result, if I see this, this result guards my house and also guards my family
あれ
and
なんで
future family too. So, okay, I see ya. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Oh, you're still here. Okay, this is like 2 inches long and it's very tiny. Oh, okay, alright, thank you very much. House resort, thank you. It's kind of rare to see this. Alright, thank you very much. You guards my house, and my family, right? Alright, take care of yourself. Thank you very much. And then hopefully you give us a tons of happy. Thank you very much. Alright, have a good day. Bye.